This video is on the Valuation Kit app by Sage. This app is a what-if calculator which allows any price and mileage input for a VIN to be compared to its market comps. The dynamically calculated analytics generated by the Valuation Kit app are not available through any other source. It is the fourth app in our Pro Series app set. Unlike any other source, which use out-of-date auction observations or limited single app platform data, or price guides such as NADA or KBB, which do not capture daily markets, Sage data is both updated daily to reflect rapidly evolving market changes and is sourced from a wide range of public and private repositories, which allows us to generate the largest possible and most statistically robust data sets, which is why we deliver the most accurate and timely pricing and mileage analytics available from any source. Migrate to the app. Enter a VIN that is in the Sage database. Enter the desired price and mileage to compare to the core market analytics matching the build specifications for this VIN. If you have migrated from the Market Inventory app, the VIN and current data are pre-filled. Select Submit to generate the results. Displayed are the variances of the inputs submitted to market comps for this VIN. Analytics for both model body and model body year are generated. Change the mileage or price fields and resubmit to modify the results for what-if analysis. Revised results are generated. Using the Valuation Kit app along with input from other Sage Pro apps allows you to derive a strategic target market price for any car and mileage. Please check the Sage Services log for qualifying membership to access the Valuation Kit app.